Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable spatial audio or disable it for your Earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. You have to start by open settings, and then we need to go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then we need to scroll down a bit, and right here we have spatial audio. But not all Android phones have this feature, so you may have it. You cannot find this feature at your Apple device, at least in the settings. Now, to enable it, you need to tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. To disable it, you need to also tap one time at the slider, but if the slider have colorful background. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!